little bit tough to see on the matte black Mercedes, but you got a dent here caused from having the gas cab door open and then bumping it, right? The car's locked right now, so I can't, oh, there it is. So bumping it, hitting it so hard that it smacks that spot right there. So I think we can solve this. Just pulled down the liner there and we got a nice factory hole with a plug in it up on the inside there. So I'm hoping that gives me access right there. Hopefully I can come in at an angle, we shall see. Okay, so I've installed my own clear coat. Basically just packing tape there, and you can see it pops out much better with that reflection. So I'll be able to fix the dent a lot better, get a tight reflection here. There you go, and that hole underneath the wheel gives me access, so should be a pretty quick and easy dent. All right, here we go. You can obviously see where the dent was because my one little piece of tape there came out perfect. And we used everything. We used did all the work through that factory hole, so no aftermarket stuff, especially on a nice Mercedes like this. But and then obviously once you take the clear coat off there, you won't be able to see anything. So there you go. Fix a dent on the matte black C63 S there. Customer is super bummed because he was just washing his car and came out and bumped that door open and then put a dent in it. So problem solved.